You can see the plantation here. This is maize. This time round it might not do well. You can see it has even begun maturing area because it didn't get enough rain. So considering this is in Uasin Gishu, which is among the counties which is the breadbasket of the country, it seems like next year there will be difficulties in getting enough maize, so we might get another scandal, especially with how things are happening in this government. So it might not be enough. It might not be enough because it's not only this area which hasn't gotten enough rain. Even Trans Nzoia has not yet gotten enough rain, and the fear is now there will be shortage of maize next year. So we are praying all shall be well, because we know we as the masses, we are the ones who suffer most when maybe when we are in deficiency of maize. Yeah, so let us hope for the best, because it really didn't do well, because this maize is always very tall and very healthy. You can see how short they are. You can see it's not admirable, whatever you can see. It's now, it seems like the rain is coming back. Yeah, but we hope for the best, because this is our country. When we don't have food, we know everyone suffers. So let's hope for the best. This is from the behind of the center where we live, and I told you it's in the boundary between Elgeyo Marakwet and Uasin Gishu. Thank you for watching the video, and hopefully to bring you more information about this area.